Previously on
Damn,
I don't really know what happened during the play, but I just know I looked down, my finger was cut open, dislocated, basically. I really was just hoping that it wasn't broke. I was really trying not to think about it. I didn't feel it, but eventually it started kicking in, adrenaline left, and went to the ER, got x-rays. I sat there for about 3 hours, then finally they came, numb me up, and she put it back in place and stitched me up. I'm gonna let the world talk. Everybody go see the game, they go have their doubts, but at the end of the day, I'm just get back in the gym. I know yesterday wasn't me, and I'm gonna just come back and do my thing and show everybody what I really am. This that hungry trait, that first year of college JUCO trait that's gonna come out when I had a big chip on my shoulder. So y'all go see a whole different trait that y'all never seen before.
We've set out to find the next hooper looking to achieve their dreams. 8 hoopers looking to be put on, battle it out to show their skills, talent, and personality. They will be competing against each other in a series of 1v1s, 3v3s, and 5v5s. In Season 2, we wanted to spice things up. The Ballislife panel went out, scouted, and recruited 6 of the contestants. On the first day, the contestants will compete in a series of 1v1s. The top 4 will advance to the boss round on day 2. In the boss round, the players will face off against Nasir Kaur, Uncle Scoob, Moon, and the final boss will be revealed day of. Ballislife is now in Foot Locker, 10 stores in Southern California, or online. If you want to support, check the link in the description.
First game, I felt like I kind of underestimated bro. He played really good. I feel like I won because I feel like after a while I got into his head a little bit. I feel like if he was kept sticking what he did, he would have played a lot better. He probably would have won the game. But fortunately, I came out with the win like a big dog do. JT, after seeing him play the first game, surprised me a lot.
I'm just here to prove that I still can go. I'm definitely gonna knock down a lot of shots and try to get some wins.
John Morant.
Who you got winning this game, bro?
What game?
This game.
My game?
Yeah.
Who you got winning the game? Me, right? Okay.
Feeling good. Let's get it.
You feel me? Nas passed the torch. About to get my big guard chain. You feel me? It's coming in the mail. You feel me? Did you shoot for takeout? He can have the ball, bro. Like, it's me, bro. He can have the ball.
That's that what? What's sexy red say? Shoot that bun off. What's sexy red say?
Hey, you better leave me alone before I get back. If you say anything else, it's gonna get back. I got that over here. Worry about that little shit. Tell him what's up. I'm not paying about that shit. That's crazy. 4-0. Hell no. Nobody All that big shit, nigga. Call a foul. Yeah. Nigga pushing me. Yeah. We right here. We right here. Yeah. He gonna reach. He gonna reach. He gonna reach. He gonna reach.
Give him space.
Oh, yeah.
What you mean, JT?
It's halftime and you know what that means. It's time to make some money with Prize Picks. In case you don't know by now, Prize Picks is the easiest and most exciting way to play daily fantasy sports. It's just you against the numbers and watch the winnings roll in. This week on Prize Picks, for my first entry, I'm going with Karl Anthony Towns, more than 20 points. He's been hooping lately. I'm going to go with Jamal Murray, more than 10 rebounds plus assists. You give me, he could get 10 assists alone. I'm good. I'm going to go with Ant-Man, more than 39.5 points plus rebounds plus assists. He's been hooping. Prize Picks even offers injury insurance so that your entry will stay in play even when one of your players gets injured. In basketball, if one of your players gets hurt in the first half and does not return in the second, Prize Picks has your back and they will not count that as a loss. Use the link in the description to go to Prize Picks and use code LIFE for a first deposit match up to $100. That's promo code LIFE and a first deposit match up to $100.
You did this to yourself. Take me home. Yo, shut the fuck up. Want to bet right now? I'll bet right now. What's the bet right now? You want to bet? I'll bet right now. I'll bet right now. I'll bet right now.
Put the cap on, Bird.
I ain't gonna see nothing else.
Wedge it.
He's trying to get too pretty.
Sit over. Shit, shut the fuck up. You should shut the fuck up. Now it's over. He's talking to you. He's talking to you. I'm trying to see that.
I done knocked the other one out. Fuck it.
That was foul. Move back, Regjon, move back.
Hey, ready? Hey, what's game today, AK?
11.
All right.
He gotta hit one of them to make him believe.
Give him space, give him space.
Is niggas ready?
Space.
It's all right, bro. Keep that shit up, though. You gonna get out. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of shit. I've been running around all fucking day. Screaming all day. I'm tired of shit.
Walk in right now.
You heard me? Did you hear me? What?
I don't need to go all the way.
You're hooping right now. You know what you're doing. I got it. And you tried to do gangster at the end.
I did.
That shit was crazy.
You got it.
Hell no, ain't no foul. Shoot that bum ass shot.
You ain't shooting that shit. He ain't got that.
You ain't let no
He ain't got that.
I thought you ain't no upper school. That's 3 or 10. Shoot another one, because you really like that.
You ain't gonna hit 2 in a row. You ain't got 2 in a row. He's not like got 2 in a row. He's not like that. He's not like. Don't shoot that shit. Don't tell me what to do. What did you talking about?
Should have kept that 9.
No, he's done. Get out of here. No. There you go. There you go. Dumb ass up. It's 10-6. Check dumb ass up.
Hey, JT, make him go that way. Make him go left, JT. JT, make him go left.
What?
Angel.
Y'all, that was game 2 of our second round. JT got the dub. Regjon, you know, he be talking a lot. He ran out of air. That's what it was. Great. Ty, y'all got anything?
Man, you did your shit, got the dub, that's all that matters, big dog.
Move, my boy.
Yeah.
Dope for your boy.
Y'all definitely competed. I feel like you were making it hard for yourself. Like, bro, with basketball, it don't matter if you want to get in your bag and all that. If somebody giving you, like he was giving you shots, bro, step into it and take the shots. Then after that, now when he respecting the shot, now you can go to the hole now. But he's strong. You're trying to go to the hole, he give you that bump. That's hard.
But,
There you go, y'all. There you go. Ty, you want to say something?
Yeah. Like I said, hell of a player, bro. The personality that we love to see. I feel like he still showed, and he showed his talent. But you know, he met his match today.
Ain't not my match.
Listen, everybody.
After losing is crazy.
Listen, everybody runs into that player that's gonna give you an L, whether it's your match or not. But shout out to JT. Shout out to Regjon, man.
Just get it, baby. Next one.
Hey, now we're on to game 3. Angel and Anthony Yu.
Yeah, let's get it.
Being an Asian American basketball player, I feel like a lot of times, especially when people look at me at first glance, they probably don't think I'm a good basketball player. So just trying to prove those people wrong and proving that I can belong on any court in the world is something to me.
Put the place up, yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser.
Here at Hoop Dreams, I just plan on showing everybody my game and what I can do on the court and just trying to showcase my talent for the world to see.
Growing up, it was always basketball no matter what. It's the Filipino blood, but always being small. I don't really mind it because I know like no one on the floor can like guard me in terms of speed. So it's like undersized guards can really get buckets and play basketball at a good level. I'm feeling relaxed, a little tired, but we're feeling good.
Ooh.
Keep it up, keep it up. Don't fucking stop. That's all, folks. Go.
Get that baby up the street. Let's count. Count it, right?
No, we're not counting it. It was on the ground. Oh.
Nah.
There you go.
Another one.
I like him.
Yeah, he can lock up. I got him over you.
Set it up. I owe him too for Roy. I owed him.
Oh, he was there?
No, he wasn't there, but you know that might be his long lost cousin or something.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Hey, let's lose ball.
Okay.
No, don't look at me. Look at him. Hell no. You know why you did all that shit. You bet it though. You could. Look, then you got almost little ass head. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. Oh, another one.
I was playing around the first game. I should have taken that shit more serious, but I'm here.
That was
Oh, that's game. That's game.
That's game. That was our last game of the day. Y'all see how Anthony ended it? No look three. This shit was crazy. Good shit, Angel. Ty, Frank, y'all got anything to say to this?
Man, way to compete. At the end of the day, man, way to compete. I like what I saw.
Good bump, man. It was a good bump. We like the energy. That's all we can ask for.
Duke Nas, tough player, bro. Catch and shoot. I ain't gonna lie, dude. You've been preaching that for both of these seasons, and nobody seems to listen. But it worked.
Why not?
It
Why
worked.
not?
It worked because now you got to respect a different type of like. You know what I mean?
If your hand down and you just catch and shoot, now guess what? You hit a couple. Now they up here. Now I can go.
If you can shoot like Duke Skywalker, then you do that. But if you feel what I mean? Everybody ain't.
You can't shoot like Duke. You can't do that.
So check it out, y'all. So now the panel, we about to get together. We got to find out the four that's playing our bosses. So, fellas, can we go and do our
To the meeting couch.
Let's get it.
Keep that in the bed, though.
Hey, tripping. You know the homies is here.
Oh, homies.
hey, the panel go crazy. Hey, look, the panel, we about to figure it out. We need 4, y'all. Now, Bird, 13-0. He's in the dough.
Yep.
New Williams, 13-0. He in the dough.
Yep.
Now look, School, Flyer. On the technicality, he took the win because Trey got hurt.
Okay, so we move Flyer
up. See, now we got to talk about that because Regjon and...
He did lose 13-0.
Regjon and who?
Regjon has a win and a loss. Quite
Who
low-key.
lose to?
Who?
He just lost to
He lost to JT.
JT, yeah. JT gotta go.
JT?
Yeah, JT undefeated.
Moving on.
Yeah, so for sure JT, New, and Bird.
I like the quad version.
Why?
So now we have...
Because okay, so now the 4 bosses, you got to see what matchup against that.
We don't got no time
no
to
bullshit.
play.
Yeah,
Oh,
who's gonna play now?
We can't.
Okay. But
Ooh,
look.
it's all shit, K.
About to get that get back.
I ain't know News that strong.
No, New.
I told you he can hoop, bro. I told you that.
No, I just didn't know he was like that strong. Like he was like,
Y'all think he just got bounced. No, the man can hoop. You got to tell you he can
yeah,
hoop.
no, that's all
All
right.
right, so we got 3, you guys. We got it. We got to come.
So hold on, what's the matchup? So if
Flyer-
new,
gotta play Bird.
Hold on.
Moon and Bird is crazy.
Moon and Bird.
That's gonna be a fade.
Yeah, okay. Moon and Bird. Nas and New.
Scoop and JT.
No, Smooth and Quiet, bro. It's gonna be a way better game.
Oh,
bro.
Regjon, Quad, we didn't sold on Quad.
We're not sold on Philly.
First thing tomorrow.
At this time, the panel obviously would have no idea that Kawhi would go on and get injured later in the day. So the debate was who moves on to the boss round between Kawhi and Regjon. We're just going to leave this in here because it's just entertaining.
Tomorrow,
JT against the other boss because they're both strong as shit.
Yeah, them 2. The other boss.
Oh, that's who the other boss is?
Yeah.
It used to be Rob.
But JT's so little.
JT's little.
Yeah, JT's not. I mean,
He
I ain't gonna say that. I like Regjon versus.
Yeah, because y'all both shoot.
no.
Regjon gonna battle though. Quad don't talk no shit.
Get that bit off, cuz.
Only game Quad got is a 13-0, and y'all putting him on.
Yeah,
like that's what I'm saying.
He won one off of the
I'm saying, but
that don't count.
That's the only thing that's bad.
Even though it was against, I mean,
no, everybody got
But you can't.
I was thinking
That's not
thinking
valid.
that
That's not a valid reason.
I just want to see.
That's what I'm saying. This is the only nigga saying they shouldn't play.
I just want both of them at the highest.
That's stupid, nigga. Well, he should be good enough.
That's what
He should be good enough. 2 games is you should be talented enough for 2 games. If you're not, then you ain't balls like
I'm
that.
talented enough.
This nigga's stupid.
Alright, listen, I'm just saying, if we going off matchup wise, I feel like Philly would match up better against Regjon. But strong as shit and he can hoop, bro. Let's not forget that.
who match up with?
I feel like
Philly better than.
But I feel like Regjon.
Oh yeah.
He's
If
going
you talking about that
against Regjon, bro.
matchup,
He's going
yeah.
against.
If that's the matchup.
I feel like Regjon will be better against somebody bigger because he can be more physical. You feel what I'm saying?
Nah.
I feel like Regjon way more entertainment too. Exactly, and that's what it's about as well. It's not just about skill. I'm saying, like entertainment wise, he gonna bring it.
I'm talking about being able to defend.
Regjon
would
gonna
defend better.
defend.
He would defend.
I'm with whatever y'all want to
We're
do.
going Regjon, bro.
No, they playing the 5 regardless of what I say. But I'm still want to say this: the nigga lost 13-0 and then get a chance. It's crazy.
He got 3.2.
I'm saying
Tomorrow's a tiebreaker.
Wait.
What are we
Tomorrow's
going
a
on?
tiebreaker. Tomorrow's
going on?
1-1. It's 1-1.
Regjon and Quad gonna play tomorrow.
They gonna play tomorrow. The best man
Winner
wins.
move on.
That fucking simple.
We're split on who to decide. We didn't come to an agreement for the 4, but we got 3 guys with a qualifying round to see who's going to be our 4. We got Bird, we got New Williams, we got JT, and then we're going to have Regjon.
So once again, Kawhi got injured in his league game later that night, so Regjon automatically moved on to the boss round. He'll be facing off against our mystery boss. Ballislife is now in Foot Locker. 10 stores in Southern California or online. If you want to support, check the link in the description.